how to reset your Bank of America online banking password. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up to reset our password for online banking of Bank of America. So I just dive right into the video and get started. We can head over to their browser for that, and once we head over there, we can go to bankofamerica.com and log in into the site. So this is the site right here where we can log in into our account. Basically, we have user ID and password section where we can enter our details and log in. But if we've forgotten a password, we can reset our password within the website here. So look for this option called Forgot User ID or Password right below the login button and go ahead and click on it. Once we click on it, we'll be headed towards this next page. Here, what we need to do is we need to provide in the last 6 digits of our card or account number, and right below it we need to provide in a SSN or ITIN code. Once it is done, we can click on next and follow up other process. We may receive a one-time code via email or phone or answer security questions. We need to enter up the code and continue, and then we can create up a new password. Once the new password is created, we can confirm and save it up. And once password has been saved, we can head back to the login page, enter up our user ID, and right below it enter up the new password that we have just created. After that, we can click on this login option and complete up the verification and log in into our account and access Bank of America online banking. Also, you can follow the same process if you're using the mobile application. You can reset via mobile application as well and make sure the password requirements is fulfilled. And that is it. If you can't reset, you can call the customer support, but usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.